And a good hello to you. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to take you through this lodge, Manatee Lodge number 31 here in Bradenton, Florida. Looks like they got a good turnout here. Got great parking out here. So looking forward to a good turnout, looking to fellowship with these brothers. And I'm gonna take you inside this lodge, let you have a look around. Maybe, just maybe, you'll see something about this lodge that maybe will help improve your own lodge. That's actually my goal here. But, oh, check what they got. Mason of the Quarter. Mason of the Year stuff, private parking parks. What a cool idea. Anyway, let's go inside and take a look around. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. So we are way in the front of the building. I think maybe it was, oh, this door here behind me. Through this door here is where they were cooking outside. They finished up cooking. They brought the grill in here. So this is kind of really a storage room, because they really don't use the front door per se, because they got a chain link fence out there, but they got some older pictures up in here that are really cool. These are not lithographs. And this one, not really Masonic related either, but they're really nice. And normally when you see extra pianos, this means Eastern Star. I normally don't see one of these at Oregon unless there's Eastern Star is here. But when you have organizations that, that's probably darts there, you have organizations that one organization will fold into another or merge, then you tend to get the extra pianos and the things. But look, check out this kitchen here. That's a kitchen. And that's seating out that way. Good size. So this is actually the back door here. It's at the rear of the cafeteria, so we're at the other end now, so you can see the seating is there. They got a nice pool table here. I actually didn't see that on my way in. I shouldn't be able to miss it. Check it out. Check out this light. Is that cool? Love that light. That's neat. And they got this. Check this out. Yeah. It's like the guy making this light. It's not actually this light that he's making, but it's something like this light. That's really cool. So it looks like they got their sitting there. This is their officers, their current sitting officers. And I'm going to go down here, and this is going to depict some of their Eastern Star here to your right. That meet here. And several lodges have closed in the air. I think they used to have, I think 4 of the lodges have closed here, but they've joined in with this lodge. But they always kept their same number, and this has always been a Manatee Lodge. This is the 4th oldest lodge in the state. So that's pretty cool. Even though the number is 31, it just means those other lodges either closed up or something has happened here. Who are these cats? Oh, these are some, I don't know. Huh. Another organization there, Manatee Lodge. Okay, so this is their officer pictures. That's what we have here. Some lodges do. You don't see that a whole lot. I know some lodges in Georgia are actually doing that. So we're gonna go inside this first room here. Looks like a preparation room. Nice. Check this out. That's awesome. That is so unusual. You don't see stuff like this every day. I know sometimes you see these, and there's a hollow section here, and it'll have 2 balls in it. So it's a 2-ball cane, is what it is. Who was 2-ball cane? Yeah, look that one up. I know. So you got your ship and a nice oil painting here. Real quick before we go in, he's got their aprons all on a little card here, and then down here they got drawers for their jewels. It's a really nice setup. I like it. It's not real flashy. Definitely got a nice Masonic logo on it. It serves a purpose, that's for sure. And it doesn't take up the room, because I've seen some of these that are just huge and they take up the room like a sign-in board or something. But I really like that. That's nice. Check this out. They got a door knocker. Why do they need a door knocker in Florida? No one really knows. But the peephole, there's no glass in it. It is a straight up hole. I like it. So unusual. Got a door knocker at this side too. That's cool. Now they have another lodge that meets here. Liberty Lodge meets here also. So they actually already took up all the regalia. But you can see they've got a nice pole here. They got their celestial globe up top. It's in really good condition. It looks tall because it's actually set up on a level. You can see it's actually off the ground here. It's in great condition. That's the way they've taken care of it. You don't see a whole lot of pink. That's some pomegranates. You don't see a lot of that at all. Check out that one. That's a nice big oil painting there. I like the clock. It's hard to see when you get a dark background and then your hands are also black. It's really hard. I wish it would have been white. I could have seen it from across the room, but the clock has actually stopped. So it wasn't right anyway. Those big wood holders there. Check out this setting mall. That thing's good size. Different kind of shape. I don't think I've ever seen one that shape before. It's got a nice split down it. You can feel how it's split, so it must have some age on it. Look at that wisdom. You don't see many of these that have any kind of writing on them. Normally they just have like a senior ward's logo. I got that. A stubby for senior ward. I like it. That's awesome. A lot of lodges, they'll have a drape here and it'll say wisdom down it. Not this one. I like these too. But these are hand painted. Those are cool. You got a couple Marshall batons back here. Don't see a lot of Marshall batons. Definitely not in Georgia. A lot of other states don't use a Marshall at all, but this one does. Huh. It's really cool. I got a digital clock up here. I should be looking at that one, huh? And there's your terrestrial globe up there again with the pink. Really cool. They do have a DeMolay chapter that meets here, and this would be the DeMolay flag. Check out this painting. That looks cool too, doesn't it? And look at all the seating they got here. They got all the old seating, theater seating, what they call it. And check out that one. Lots of neat little touches. I do wish more lodges would do items like this. This is not necessarily Masonic, but it's just a nice, individual piece there. An actual oil painting. A good looking piano in the back. Looks like they've already taken up their ballot box. Oh, looky here, we found a ballot box. Let's see what she looks like. I'm gonna set it on this rough ashlar here. Cool, black cubes. Oh, it's nice and cushy. Nice and cushy. Good condition. Not real elaborate, but just good condition. That's the rough ashlar. That's our smooth one over there. And this is their traveling gavel they have here. I like a nice traveling gavel. There's just not nearly enough traveling gavels around. My home lodge, Midland Lodge, one of my home lodges, they tend to captivate traveling gavels. It's not rare to see 4 of them in their lodge. I know while I was city master, we definitely had a few while we were there. They've got a nice sword. That's a big claymore. It really is. It's a little larger than the ones that I see at some lodges. But check this out. Here's his gavel here. I don't think that this one here. Okay, look at that, Kevin. It's got his name on the gavel. I like it. Some lodges they actually make their master his own gavel, so he takes it with him, puts it on his mantle when he's no longer master. I like the pointed up. I like that. And it's got the same matching back here in the back. It's got the same matches the other ones too. So I also like one of the things. I like this railing. this railing, you could definitely see it's put in here after the fact, or maybe there used to be a railing here. I could see an indentation in the floor there. Maybe it was a different kind. A lot of times I see wood railings, and they're big and obtrusive. And if the guy sitting here turns to, which is normally the senior deacon, if he turns and tries to talk to Pastor, he's got to look around this thing. But it's all boarded up. It's just they're huge a lot of times. But from a distance, these things really blend in well because they're so skinny and small. And there's where your master, or your, he sits. He is definitely wired for sound. He uses sound today. I thought this was one of those dinger boxes, but it's not. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know what a dinger box is. This is not a dinger box. This is just shelving. But he does have this one. That's nice. So he's got his Eastern Star charter here. Here's Liberty Lodge's charter that meets here. That's the Demolate down there. Is their charter. I'm hoping these brothers will get out of here. It really hurts on background noise is what it does.
That's a lot of,
This might be, yes, this might be their original charter. Nice. This is a lot smaller than what you would normally see a charter. I mean, most charters are huge, like the ones we just looked at, but this is a little smaller. But another oil painting. Oil painting. It's really cool. And I got our junior warden station here. He's got another one of these. He's got his I stood that senior warden one up. He's got beauty written on that one there. I like it. A B, strength, junior warden. I like it. Another girthy setting mall there. Really like it. I'm gonna go over there and correct that other one. All right, last but not least, let's look at this altar. This altar is really big. It's nice and wide. Most altars I see are not nearly this wide. He's got the senior warden logo on that side of the level. Boy, those guys are yellow. I may close them out. There's our senior worship master here. Oh yeah, I like the neon lighting that go around the outside. That's cool. Sometimes I see them and they'll actually have lights actually in the ceiling that look like stars. They're pretty cool. But yeah, that is a good size. Oh, that was nice. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I shut them down for the degrees. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, those look great. I like that. Good size. Good size tour. Was this wood? Yes, these are wood. I thought maybe it was metal there for a minute. Still look at the altar. Oh, they got that one pointed down. That's okay, but you can see it's hinged right here, which tells me this thing opens up. And they got a nice kneeling board down here. It's good and girthy. It's huge. Texas would be proud of that thing. I mean, that one's big. Let's look at their Bible. Okay, so you got George Washington in here. That's always good. World events. Building the King Solomon's Temple. We see that one a lot. Nice. I like these. Internal workings of Freemasonry. Ancient Accepted Scottish Rite Order, Eastern Star. I like those. I really like this actually a newer one here of Masonic Bible. Cool. I like it. So if you ever find yourself in Bradenton, Florida, and you want to go to a lodge, check out Manatee Lodge number 31 right here in Bradenton, Florida. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. Had a great meal. They have a good meal here. Their first meeting is formal. Fair warning. First meeting is formal. You need to be in a jacket. The next one you could wear normally something like this, which is what I normally wear to lodge. So the first meeting of the month, I'll probably come in a jacket. They've got a lot of work going on. We just had 2 brothers stamp proficiency for their inter apprentice degree, and we're going to do a fellow craft degree this weekend. So looking forward to that. Of course, I won't be filming any of that, so it'll be amazing to figure that one out. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, and maybe you'll just come down here and visit these brothers. But I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.